Hello guys, how are you all and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you all about important standard books for UPSC preparation. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with Indian polity. For Indian polity you have to prefer M. Lakshmikant. This is a comprehensive guide to the Indian constitution, political system and public administration. And in Indian economy, you have to study the book of Ramesh Singh, a detailed overview of the Indian economy, including its history, current state, and future prospects. For history, you have to prefer India's Struggle for Independence by Bipan Chandra, covers the Indian freedom movement in detail. Second book for history is A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir, useful for quick revision. Third standard book for history is Ancient India by R.S. Sharma, for a detailed understanding of ancient Indian history. Fourth standard book of history is India After Independence by Bipen Chandra, focuses on post-independence developments. For geography, you have to prefer two standard books. One is Certificate Physical and Human Geography by G.C. Leong. Second book is Geography of India by Majid Hussain. And for Indian art and culture, you have to prefer the standard book of Nitin Singhania. So these are the important standard books for the subjects of UPSC. So you have to prefer this while your preparation. And other important resources for UPSC preparation are Economic Survey, Government of India's Review of the Indian Economy, Current Affairs. Stay updated on current events through newspapers like The Hindu or The Indian Express and magazines. Prefer solving previous year question papers. Analyze previous year question papers to understand the exam pattern and important topics. For ethics, integrity, and aptitude, books like Lexicon for Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude by Chronicle Publications can be helpful. So guys, if you like the information whichever I have shared with you all, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye.